Good day, it's the Miles Revolution here. I thought I'd show you what we did to this bathroom here. I know the pictures that I'm showing you right now are not really that clear. We actually took them with a very low quality video camera back in 2013. The next one I should have done a little bit better with taking a before picture, but you know, it is what it is. But I'll show you what we have done to this bathroom. So of course I painted the door here. Let's go take a look on the inside. Woo! Turn on the light. Got that fancy little light there up on the top. So a couple of things that I did to this bathroom that were not here, and I wanted it to kind of match the themes of some of the other bathrooms in the house, was this trim, cove trim up here at the top. So that originally was not in this bathroom. The doorway was, but it didn't have this border trim, so I stuck that in there. And then the baseboard trim, I couldn't locate the trim that exactly matches the original house like that on the top. It's kind of curved. But I did find this other trim, and so I just cut a little notch in the back and then set it on top here, and it actually looked pretty darn nice, I think. And I painted it all white. This is the sponging treatment, which I had mentioned in another video. And of course I put down the tile here, all this brown tile. Put in a new toilet. This is a water saving toilet. Of course we kept the pedestal sink, which I put in here some time ago. If you remember, the original picture was actually a sink and a countertop. I actually had to pretty much gut the whole bathroom here anyway to make it work. But it did. I got the mirror here. And it actually turned out pretty nice, I think. One of the best bathrooms in the house now. But it's a half bath. You can't take any baths in here or showers, but that's what it's like. I also did paint the back side of the door so it matches the same color scheme of the room. Anyway, so that's what it looks like. And I think it's turned out pretty nice. So I'm quite happy with the way it is. The only thing that I really should have done, here by the doorway, I have this tile, and I could have fixed the floor when I was leveling it, but I didn't, so we have this little uneven step here, but I don't think it's going to be too big of a deal. But that's what it is. So I hope you like it. Thanks for watching the video and everything that went into this particular bathroom. I know I didn't film everything, but I did film some of the stuff. Hope that your bathroom project goes just as well. Miles Revolution signing out.